Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Did you get a chance to check out our recipe from last week where we made our delicious Earl Grey mini bun cakes? Of course, if you missed it, you can check it out right here. With today's episode, we are going to be getting ready for the Super Bowl. It's my favorite time of year to start baking because I love making all of the delicious savory snacks, all the different finger foods that are perfect and will get you game day ready. Today's recipe is really easy. It comes together in under 30 minutes and it's a family favorite. We're going to be making mini pizza bagels. For that, you'll need the following ingredients: 6 plain mini bagels, 1 cup of marinara sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and half a cup of mini pepperoni. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a baking tray with some parchment paper and split all of your bagels in half and put them on your baking tray with the cut side facing up. Spread your marinara sauce over the top of each of your bagel halves using a spoon and spreading it around. Sprinkle with your mozzarella cheese on each bagel and then add your pepperonis. You're going to bake your pizza bagels in the oven for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, your cheese should be melted, and then you're going to switch the oven to broil on medium heat, and you're going to broil your bagels for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep very close watch on them just until the cheese gets nicely browned. And with that, our mini pizza bagels are done and out of the oven. You can see I did half with pepperoni, half without. My toddler loves the pepperoni, so I did some for him, and my husband likes just the classic cheese, so he has the other half. This is really great finger food, and it's perfect not only for your Super Bowl game day party, but really any afternoon snack, maybe after school snack. If you're looking for a quick and easy meal on the weekends, I really like that this comes together so quickly and it really doesn't take much effort at all. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our mini pizza bagels. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other Super Bowl ready game day recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.